We head to Unity Hospital to highlight a member of the respiratory department and the long hours and loss that she's encountered during the COVID-19 pandemic. Her message for everybody: we still have a long ways to go. Christian Garzone has more.
So what respiratory does basically is we take care of, especially at this time with the pandemic, taking care of the patients on ventilators.
Bobbi Fanton has worked at Unity Hospital for 13 years. She says the past year has been like nothing she's ever been through.
During the pandemic, obviously, it's been very stressful, lots of hours from everyone.
Fanton says there have been hopeful moments here when patients go off a ventilator and recover, but there have also been plenty of difficult moments. She says losing a patient is something you can never get used to.
Very tough, because these patients we tend to take care of for quite a while.
With all the loss and long hours, we asked the director of respiratory therapy if having Fanton on board helps make the days easier.
I would never use the word easier.
Sure.
Bearable.
Yeah. Bobbi's kind of the glue for this department. She holds everyone together.
Fanton says for any doubters, take it from her. COVID is very real. With hospitals still strained across the region, she says we still need to wear our masks, stay socially distant, wash our hands, and avoid large gatherings. We are not out of this yet.
Now that we have the vaccine, that's great. We still are going to have to keep up with all those other things as well.
At Unity Hospital, Christian Garzone, News 8.
All right, Christian, thank you so much. Our First Responders series sponsored by our friends at Dunkin' Donuts.